Okay. Pagod na agad tayo. Hello there, my friends. How are you today? My name is Neo Rayos. Welcome to It's Your Time to Rise. Kami, pagod na kami. Kaya na pa kami naglalakad. We're here in our backyard. See? Ito yung likod bahay pala namin. That's my wife. Hello, wife. This is our likod bahay. Inopen na namin siya sa public para dumadaan na yung mga sasakyan. Kasi, kailangan natin ng community service wag minsan. Kaya we open this to the public para pwede dumaan yung mga kotse sa backyard. No, just kidding. We are at Vermosa. This is Vermosa in Imus. See? Ganda yan. Medyo na late lang kami ng punta dito, but it's worth it. Alright, how are you today? It's time to rise up. Pero kami nakaupo. Ironic. Di ba, mami? And, okay, by the way, tatayo ako. This is what 8 days of working out will do to your body. Look, mami. Papahawakan ko muna sa misis ko para makita niyo yung result ng 8 days. See that? 8 days pa lang yan. Pero ganyan na yung katawan ko. Nagpatato na rin pala ako. Para kasi idol ko si Dwayne Johnson. So see, 8 days. So imagine what 30 days can do. Just kidding. Just joking around. Yep, we've been doing this for 8 days nga ba? No, I think 9. This is 9 days already because we started Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So 10 days na yata, 9 or 10 days, I don't know. Alright, so what I would like to share with you today, you see the description. Do you know that 80% of what you're doing is actually keeping you from achieving great results? Now, what if I told you that you can achieve more by doing less? So, there's this which we call the Pareto Principle, the 80-20 playbook. The Pareto Principle states that you focus on 20%. You focus on the 20% that would deliver you the 80% results. So it's just a matter of prioritization. As champions, if you really want to achieve something, if you want to be productive, minsan we are bogged down, I would say. We are bogged down by the busyness of life, and we tend to do things na akala natin would bring us closer to our goals, when in fact hindi naman, kasi para lang tayong nag-grind, pero wala namang resulta or minimal yung results. So what you need to do, what I need to do is to focus, to identify first the 20% which will deliver me 80% results. Now, most of you, if you have, let's say, okay, take a question ko sa inyo. If you are doing your to-do lists, comment below. I am doing my to-do list. Me. If you're doing my to-do list, I think that's good, you're doing a to-do list, pero I think what we need to do is tweak that and make it your tada list. Tada! Para pag na-achieve mo nagawa mo yung task, na-kompleto mo, na-accomplish mo, talagang it gives you great joy, great fulfillment. The 80-20 principle. So what do you need to do? Here are 3 key points for you to abide, or I would say, for you to follow the 80-20 playbook. First, look at your tasks, look at your to-do lists, then identify which are these would na pag ginawa ko, if I do, would bring me closer to my goals. Identify those. List down all your tasks, list down all your tasks. You list them down, and then you identify. Once you've listed them down, Nakita mo na sino yun, ano yung mga tasks niya. Talaga yan, tasks for the whole day. What are your tasks for the whole day? You list them down. To-dos. And then from your to-do list, number 2, you pick out which of these, identify which of these will bring me closer to my goal. Ano yung makaka-achieve sa akin ng goal ko? Ano yung makakatulong for me to achieve my goals? Take them one by one. Check them one by one. Check, 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 check. So right now you have a list of all your to-dos, and then you identified which are those na makaka-achieve ng goal that I wanted to do or to accomplish, and then you separate them. Dito ka pupunta sa isang sheet na to, while the others will go here. Remember? We have this grid na tinatawag yung sa, well, they call it time management, but it's not really time management. It's managing yourself in time. This is the important and the urgent grid, the 4 quadrants, but it's another story, another topic. What I'm saying is, lahat ng important stuff that would really lead you towards achieving your goal, you put it here. Then you prioritize them. Yan ang ipaprioritize mo. All the others, like checking emails, checking social media. So if you're a student, playing games, diba? Lahat yon, dito ka, sa kabilang side. Later ka na. Tapusin ko muna tong bigger chunks. Itong chunk, the 20% that would give me the 80% result. This way, I'm able to accomplish something. And then, unahin mo siya at the start of the day, sila yung tapusin mo so that by lunchtime, you're done. When I was in corporate, well, wala na ako sa corporate ngayon. Well, when I was in corporate, I normally check my emails by around 10 a.m. pa. Dahil pag chinek mo yung email mo, or chinek mo yung social media, parang there's one issue, then another issue, then another issue, then you'll go down the rabbit hole. Hindi mo na ma-achieve or magagawa yung mga kailangan mong gawin. The most important things. So that's it. So you list down, you look at review your to-do lists, identify your tadas. The tadas are the things or the activities that when you do them, yun yung mag-lead sa'yo towards your achieving your goal. That's the 20%. Then identify those who are minor ka lang. And then prioritize. Focus your energy dun sa tada list mo. And when you accomplish something, celebrate small wins. And then you do it every day. You do it every day. You do it every day. Always, yun lagi yung unahin mo. Me, right now, nagbago yung schedules ko. What I'm prioritizing right now is in the morning, I'm with my beloved, my wife. Then we normally go around. Then by around 10, 11, that's where I start building my business. Now, this one is in my to-do list, going live, going online, and then sharing with you some insights that I have. Hopefully this will help for you to rise as a champion as well, because that is my journey right now, rising up as God's powerful champion, unlocking my full potential so that eventually I will be able to help others do the same. And I'm hoping that I am helping you. I'm of good help to you. Sana may napupulot kayo dito sa ginagawa natin ito. And if you do, just share it to people who would need this. So that's it. So 3 things that you need to do. Identify your to-do list. List down your to-do list. Review your to-do list. Identify your tadas. And then focus your energy on those tadas. Don't stop until you finish them. Tapos saka mo na lang gawin yung other stuff. Nagets nyo? Yay! That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. So like I said, if you find value here, do share, like this post, share it to your friends, share it to your circle, so that eventually we can spread love, spread positivity, and make this world, you know, a world of champions. Sabi ko, I rise up every day to inspire, serve, and empower people to unlock their full potential so that together we can make this world a better place by living the life of God's powerful champions. And I know that you are a champion yourself, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you if you've watched the previous posts. Thank you so much. My heartfelt thanks to you for supporting this. Share this with your friends. Drop me a comment. What are your tadas? Ano yung gusto mong gawin? And then we will focus moving forward. We will focus on I'll show you how I will build this. Something's coming. I'm cooking something. Rise Up Champions, Rock Nation. So watch out for that. Thank you so much. So just focus your efforts. See? Nag-focus na ako sa effort ko. Ganda ng resulta. Ganda talaga. Thank you so much. God bless you. Look at the place. So beautiful. See? Ito yung bakuran namin. This is our backyard. Well, literally sa likod lang. No, not really sa likod. Mga 20 minutes away. So this is Vermosa. So it's complete. Technically it's a sports complex. May football, may gym, may pool if you want to do your laps. So nandito lahat. Then may school. And I'm looking for my wife. She's gone. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. God bless. Ciao.